Hi, and welcome. What we're going to do is look at finding the average velocity. And here we have a function that gives the height in meters of an object after t seconds, and we want to use the information to calculate the object's average velocity in the first 3 seconds. So let's first write down our height function. H of t is equal to negative 4.9 t squared plus 78t plus 2. Now it says over the first 3 seconds, so that means that it's over the span of starting at t equals 0, because it's the first 3 seconds, and ending at t equals 3. Now we're going to use our average velocity formula for this, and our average velocity formula is h of b minus h of a over b minus a, where a is your start time, so here a is 0, and b is the end time, so here b is 3. So that gives me h of 3 minus h of 0 divided by 3 minus 0. Now calculating h of 0, we're going to go to our height function, take out the t's, and put in 0 instead. So 4.9 times 0 squared plus 78 times 0 plus 2 gives me 2. And h of 3 is negative 4.9 times 3 squared plus 78 times 3 plus 2, which gives us 191.9. Now putting that into the average velocity formula, we have h of 3 we are going to replace with the 191.9. Then minus h of 0 is 2. And that's over 3 minus 0 is 3. And when you calculate that out, you will get 63.3, and the units for this is meters per second. And that is how you find average velocity.